Hello everyone, so welcome back to another video. Everyone, as you know, today is 6th December 2024 and this is my sixth video of today, means sixth part of today. This video is, and both are same date and part is same, so it is happy for you and me, I know. So please like, okay, and share this video which friends are waiting like these videos, okay. This is listening and learning stories for, okay, and subscribe for more. Let's start. So just imagine this. As you know, this is just an adventure story, so just imagine this. But every lesson is 100% right. It is not a fake, okay. You can respect and use these rules and respects and lessons, okay. Let's start. Do you know that some of the world's most expensive castles, what is called castles? What you know must tell me in the comments. But also castles are not just architectural, okay, architectural marvels, but also steeped in history and culture. Today we are diving into MrBeast's epic tour of these luxurious landmarks. And first up, we have the iconic Neuschwanstein castle in Germany, built in the 19th century. This fairy tale castle was inspired by the romantic ideals of the time. It teaches us that imagination knows no bounds. Sometimes you just have to dream big, okay. Next, let's jet over to France and explore the palace of Versailles. This extravagant estate is not just about opulence; it's a symbol of absolute monarchy. The lesson here: power can corrupt, but beauty can inspire. Now let's head to Scotland and check out Edinburgh maybe. Also someone recall it Edinburgh and someone recall it Edinburgh, and but maybe it is Edinburgh Castle. And perched Edinburgh Castle, Edinburgh Castle, perched stop Castle Rock. What is their meanings, guys? What you know? What you're from Edinburgh Castle? Must write our thoughts in the comments, okay. It has witnessed centuries of history. What can we learn? Resilience. It stands strong through the ages, reminding us that our foundations define us. Then we land in Spain at the Alcazar of Seville. This stunning castle showcases a blend of cultures, Moorish, Gothic, and Renaissance. It teaches us about unity in diversity. Different influences can create something truly magnificent. And finally, we wrap up our tour at the fairy tale, like Chetiao de Chambord in France. What is this? Chetiao de Chambord in France. What you're from Chetiao de Chambord in France? So must write your thoughts about it, okay. And if you're from France, so must write in the France flag in the comments, okay. This architectural wonder embodies the Renaissance spirit and innovation. It reminds us that creativity can lead to greatness. It is 100% right. So, what is the takeaway from MrBeast tour? These castles are not just about wealth. They represent history, culture, and lessons learned through time. They inspire us to dream, to learn from our past, and to appreciate the beauty around us. Next time you see a castle, remember it's not just a stone and mortar. It's a story waiting to be told, okay. Bye for now everyone. Subscribe my channel for more, please.